In this video, I will show you how to generate AI images in ChatGPT. Make sure to stick around to the end. Let's get started. Log into the ChatGPT website. Click on the chat box and type in a detailed prompt of the image you want to generate. For example, you can tell ChatGPT to generate a photo of a dog playing with a red ball. The dog is happy and energetic. The background is a green grass. Then click Enter to submit your description. It's important to note that the more detail you provide, the better your image will turn out. ChatGPT will process it and generate an image based on your description. This might take a few seconds, so be patient. Once the image appears, you can review it to see if it matches your expectation. If you are happy with the result, you can download the image by clicking the download button. And there you have it. You've successfully generated an AI image using ChatGPT. Let me know in the comments what images you've created with ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.